To view your payment history on NatWest, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate through the online banking platform or mobile app to access your transaction details. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, locate the Accounts section on the main dashboard. This is typically found in a menu or as a tab on the homepage. Step 3. Select the relevant account. Choose the specific bank account for which you want to view the payment history. Click on the account name or number to open its details. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History or Payments. Click on this option to view a list of all transactions associated with a selected account. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If needed, use any available filters or search functions to narrow down your payment history by date, type, or amount. This will help you find specific transactions more easily. By following these steps, you can efficiently view your payment history on NatWest. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to NatWest customer support for assistance.